Hello, Mr. Agung, and hello, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Agnes Maria Diza Ardiana from class 1D. In here, I will presentate about manual processing radiographic film. Introduction. Processing film is a street science governed by rigid rules of chemical concentration, temperature, time, and physical movement. Whether processing is done by hand or automatically by machine, excellent radiographs require a high degree of consistency and quality control. Manual development of radiographs is more complicated and more time consuming than automatic processing. Next is film component. First, film emulsion, a layer that is susceptible to light or sensitive to radiation, composed of silver halide granules, AgBr, and AgCl, bound in pure gelatin. It is 0.001 inches thick. Second, supercoat or overcoat, base layer that protect the film emulsion, or anti-stretch layer in the film processing, made from hardened gelatin. Third, substratum, an adhesive layer between the emulsion film and the film base with function to prevent air bubbles or film deformation in film processing, made from a mixture of cellulose, gelatin, and acetone. It is 0.01 millimeter thick. Fourth, base film, the base layer of the film which serves as the attachment for the emulsion layer and transmit light so that the image can be displayed. Consists of a 0.2 millimeter thick polyester base. It is strong, flexible, and non-flammable. Next is basic principle manual processing. In the first step is developing. In developing, the process of generating a latent image into a real image by reducing the silver bromide grains to metallic silver. The process is carried out by the developer by giving electron to the ion on the silver crystal so that the silver ion becomes metallic silver. And the next is rinsing. Rinsing or stop bath, performed after the film from the developer put into the water with the aim: first, stop the developer process. Second, rinsing the developer solution from the surface of the film. Third, avoid discoloration of the image which is caused by the active developer solution in the fixer solution. And the next is fixing. First, to stop the generation process. Second, clear the image. Third, create a permanent shadow by removing silver halide crystal from the emulsion. 4. Harden the emulsion. And the next step is washing. First, removing fixer solution contaminated with silver complex and ammonium halide from the surface of the film and from the emulsion of the film. Second, running water is used to maintain the concentration gradient and increase the rate of diffusion of the chemical from the emulsion to the water. And the last step is drying. In drying, remove all water on the surface of the film and the part of the water stored in the emulsion by putting the film in a drying cabinet where hot air circulate. Takes 10 until 15 minutes. And done! Nah, as you can see in the slide, This is a picture of manual processing machine. In this machine, there are several tanks filled with liquid from each step. Summing up, I would say that each of step in the film processing must be excited properly to develop the image without residual processing chemical and to provide adequate shelf life of the radiograph. The objective of processing is twofold. First, to produce a radiograph adequate for viewing, and second, to prepare the radiograph for archival storage. Radiographs are often stored for 20 years or more as a record of the inspection. So, that's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention and thank you very much for your time. See you.